I spent a whole day cafe hopping and somehow this camera never left my hand. Small enough to fit in my sling bag and ready to film the moment I took it out. From walking into each cafe to exploring every corner, every shot stayed effortlessly smooth. It locked onto every little detail, from the coffee pour to the final plate. The natural light looked just the way I remembered it, making every candid moment feel even more authentic. As the cafes got darker, I could still capture the atmosphere without missing the details. It was small enough to keep in my hand all day. Every cafe had its own charm, and that's what made this day so memorable. One day, countless memories, all captured with one pocket-sized camera.